This pineapple juice is 5 times more effective than cough syrup. The pineapple is an incredibly healthy and nutritious tropical fruit, which can be your powerful remedy against a cough and cold in the winter. It is also known as the king of fruits, as it has a royal amount of essential nutrients, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and trace elements. Also, Mother Nature has decorated its leaves with crowns. Pineapples are high in vitamin C, A, E, magnesium, calcium, potassium, iodine, phosphorus, iron, zinc and B group vitamins. All its parts can be used, as its leaves can be used in the preparation of a delicious tea, and the bark is a potent healing remedy. The membrane is rich in bromelain, which dissolves proteins, which are hard to digest and lead to constipation. Therefore, the juice of this fruit helps digestion and cleans the intestines. The consumption of pure pineapple juice quickly treats a cough, even if it is caused by pneumonia. It also expels phlegm and calms a sore throat. Moreover, experts have found that the mixture of honey and pineapples efficiently treats tuberculosis, fights issues with thick phlegm, sinus congestion, soothes a cough, sneezing and lung infections. It has been shown that the freshly squeezed pineapple juice is 5 times more effective than any other cough syrup. The following recipe of natural pineapple syrup will help you in the case of a cough. We recommend that you choose freshly squeezed pineapple juice, but you can also use ready-made juice with a high dry content of pineapples. This is how to prepare it. Ingredients: -250 milliliters of fresh pineapple juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, a piece of ginger root, about 7 inches long, grated, 1/4 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Instructions: you should mix the ingredients to prepare the syrup. Then, take a 1/4 cup of it 2 to 3 times daily until your cough subsides. Furthermore, the following recipe will help you protect your health and prevent other issues in the cold winter days. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized pineapple, peeled and cut into slices. 1 tablespoon honey. Half a lemon, squeezed. Juice of 1 orange. -150 grams muscovado sugar. 1 cinnamon stick. Dark rum. -50 grams butter. 1 star anise. Method of preparation: caramelize the muscovado sugar, the cinnamon, and the star anise in a pan. Next, cut the pineapple into slices, and add them to the pan, together with the honey. Mix, add the rum and mix again. When the flame vanishes, add the lemon and orange juice, and boil until the liquid reduces. Then, add the butter. You can sprinkle it with almonds or mint. Enjoy this creamy dessert and prevent the common cold symptoms. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.